Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a tire on a Cadillac Escalade. First, ensure your safety by parking on a flat, stable surface, away from moving traffic. Always engage your parking brake and activate your hazard lights. Then, gather your essential tools: the spare tire, the jack, and the lug wrench, usually found in the cargo area or under the vehicle. Before lifting, use your lug wrench to loosen the lug nuts about 1/4 of a turn while the tire is still on the ground. This makes them easier to remove later. Next, carefully position the jack under the vehicle's frame, near the flat tire. Slowly raise the Escalade until the flat tire is completely clear of the ground, ensuring stability throughout the process. Now, completely remove all the lug nuts and carefully pull the flat tire straight off the wheel studs. Set it aside. Take your spare tire and align its holes with the wheel studs. Push it firmly onto the hub. Then, hand tighten the lug nuts back onto the studs, ensuring the spare tire is seated properly and securely before lowering the vehicle. Gently lower the Cadillac Escalade until the spare tire just touches the ground, but the full weight isn't on it yet. Now, use your lug wrench to fully tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern for even pressure. Once tightened, lower the vehicle completely. Store your flat tire and tools securely, and remember to check the spare tire's pressure soon.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.